Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Asana AI. Honestly, if you are working with a team, startup, agency, or even managing a personal project, this tool can save a lot of time because it helps organize project, task, and workflow automatically. So let's get started. So first go to your browser and search asana.com and click on get started to sign up. Then you can sign up with Google or Microsoft. You can try Asana for free and you don't need to add any credit card. Now you can start working on a project. So let's create a first project. So let's create a new project. So click on a create button and choose project. Now either we can create with AI or import existing project or start a blank project. I'm going to select blank project for this. Now you can name your project. So I'll just say seed 1 and continue and then create project. Now we have to add some task. So for example, I'll just say edit a video, learn AI tool, and LinkedIn content. Now you can assign all these tasks to other. So just click on plus icon on assignee and you can search their name or email. So you can add a due date. So I'll just select 18th of June and done. You can do the same thing with the other. You can also add more section. Now another great feature we have is a dashboard. So you can create a dashboard for your team and see everything what you're working on. So you can see overview, map, and all other update. You can also create a new tab. Just click on a plus icon and select one you want. I'll choose calendar for this. Now you can see we have a new tab calendar with the overview, list, board, timeline, and dashboard. This was just a small overview, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.